Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. It is Wellness Wednesday. So we have some Wellness Wednesday tips for you. There are recommendations for physical activity in kids and adults. Kids 6 to 17 years old should get at least 60 minutes per day of moderate to vigorous physical activity. That means moving around a lot. 3 of those days should include vigorous activity. Adults should get at least 150 minutes per week of moderate activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity. So examples of moderate activity would be brisk walking, dancing, gardening, slow bike riding, golfing, or playing catch. Some vigorous activities would be running, heavy yard work, cycling, jump roping, hiking, or soccer. Spend less time sitting. Even light intensity activity can offset some of the risks of being sedentary. Keep your body moving. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today's birthdays are Orrin Alexander and James Sewell. Happy birthday, guys. Today for breakfast, we're having a breakfast sandwich. For lunch will be a hot dog. Tomorrow for breakfast, my favorite, we'll have cinnamon rolls and yogurt. And for lunch, we will have pizza. So a couple of reminders. We will still be testing this morning. Our 3rd and 4th graders will be testing in the computer lab and the collab lab. So please try to avoid the hallway if possible. Today, Miss Beatty has late duty. Tomorrow is Bertolino, and Miss Bauer has it on Friday. Some important dates. We are still in the Acap testing window. This Friday will be Spring Pictures. We will also be celebrating National Librarians Day. So, if you want to make a little something special in your classroom as a thank you to our librarian, a card or a little note or something, I'm sure she would love that. April 30th is the end of Acaps Summative testing. I think we should party that day to celebrate all of the things that we showed that we know. May 3rd through 27th is going to be our iReady 3rd diagnostic. May 5th through the 9th is Teacher Appreciation Week, with May 5th also having some PD. May 6th is Nurse Appreciation Day. Our 3rd and 4th grader testing this week, and I saw some awesome signs down on 4th and 3rd grade hall earlier this week to cheer them on as they take the test. So thanks for pepping up our testing partners and cheering them on as they work really hard during this testing time. Our word of the day is numerator. A numerator is the number written above the line in a fraction. It tells how many equal parts are described in the fraction. So the numerator is up on top. Denominator is the downstairs number. So on this fraction, 1/3, the numerator is 1. It tells that we have 1 piece out of the whole, and there are 3 parts in the whole. So numerator is the number on the top. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.